Welcome back. So today I'm here with YGwigs once more. The same packaging as last time. That's what we have or here or wig in. Same box and everything. Then open the box. I see this information book. They get like a booklet or a pamphlet. So this fully just has like gorgeous models on the inside, you know, their social media listed, all that stuff, how to care for the hair, all of that. This is a really nice little magazine. It's a magazine. It's really nice. So that's it for their magazine. Now for what's in the package. Obviously this is the wig, but before we get to the wig, which they nicely packaged, we got some stuff in the box. So got 2 of these clips. Oh, I got a pair of earrings, hoops, edge brush and comb, and a wig cap. Not too bad for the package. I like the package. I really like it. So it gave me, the wig came nicely wrapped in tissue paper, branded YGwigs. I like when companies take time out to really package their stuff properly. And this is today's wig. Alright, so today's wig is a gorgeous 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's 18 inches long and it's kinky curly. You see how tight these curls are? Yeah, it's 180% in density. It does have a little weight. And it's a mixture of 1B and number 4 color. So perfect summer vibes. The construction of the wig inside, this is how it looks with a gorgeous medium brown lace. It's a nice thin lace as well. You know, the thinner the lace, the easier it is to melt. And it has a total of 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. Okay, and this is 18 inches. Remember, it's 18 inches when stretched, not in its curly state. And that's how it goes for all curly textures. So yeah, this looks gorgeous. It is pre-plucked as well, so you guys know. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in to start applying this. This is giving me like natural vibes, like, you know, like fresh face vibe. That's the vibe I'm getting from this look already. So let's go ahead and jump into this look.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you, so what the fuck am I fighting for? What all those rumors true? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. And I don't even know half the things you said. you gave up hope, do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope, do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. 10 more minutes, or 10 more minutes with you.
So guys, I got the hair damp, so now all I'm gonna add to it is some conditioner, because this hair is really kinky curly. It's so tightly coiled, so I'm gonna just use some regular conditioner just to brush through it. Use any one you have, don't stress it. And just gonna use my brush to brush through this. Get it? And this is not going to like get that super flat wet look. This is not gonna get this super flat wet look, and because this is so tightly coiled, it's easier to tangle. So you have to be, you know, careful with how you like rake through it. You're definitely going to get shedding, so bear that in mind. I am getting shedding, so bear that in mind.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me the sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up.
Okay guys, as you can see, I got it wet, and I did use the conditioner to get it very nice and moisturized. It looks so natural, so natural. So it's very fluffy, it's not heavy, you know, it's just very fluffy. The volume feels good, you know, fresh face, is giving natural. You know, I'm going to put the direct link to this wig, all the specifications, everything that you might need if you want to go ahead and purchase it. So you can go ahead and check out my description box down below. And yeah, shout out to YGwigs once more for this wig. The quality is good. If you're looking for something that, you know, like a nice kinky curly hair, this is it. You know, once this dries, it will get back all, you know, big, so you can judge it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's wig. That's pretty much it for today's wig, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Also subscribe to my vlog channel, Petite-sue TV, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So just want to stay tuned while we go on yourself. Bye.
Give up hope, do I leave you?